What's up, guys? This is Sunny, back with another video. I'm sorry about the video from yesterday, the NVIDIA, the 20 series graphics card update. Uh, I'm sorry, guys. I think what happened was, I think my Wi-Fi connection was bad, or I don't know what went wrong. So when I tested everything yesterday before streaming, everything was working good. When I did like a test, a recording and stuff. But right after I went live for first 3 minutes, the voice was really the voice sounded really bad, and I'm sorry. So I had to delete the video because I kind of hate it. Like whenever like I make a video and the sound quality bad, I kind of hate it. So I don't know if I'm gonna make another update video. There's like a lot of other YouTuber making same type of video about NVIDIA RTX graphics card. So maybe I'll just pre-order one and just have like a benchmark video, and then unboxing and benchmark video, and then we can talk about. Now today, real quick, I just want to give you guys quick update. We got some budget builds that I'm testing out right now. Soon we'll have like benchmark and stuff. So let me show you guys. So as you guys can see recently, that's okay. So this case I picked up from Facebook. I picked it up from Facebook for $10. I can't find the case like the branding for this case. I did check all over. There is no branding, so I don't know which brand this case is from. But I picked up a X58 motherboard and I got a really good deal. So I picked up a Asus P6 X58D-E motherboard with 12 gigs of RAM, okay, and a i7 950 for around $100, guys, from Facebook Market. So that was like a great deal. I did clean the motherboard up a little bit, okay, and also this power supply I had laying around, Entech 650 watt power supply. Actually, I bought this power supply with one of my build. Actually, yeah, I bought this power supply also from Facebook also. Picked up this SSD from Micro Center. They got this on sale. You can pick up one for like $27, 120 gig. Now can't really mount the SSD here, but I did some whatever. Yes, so the cooler did come with the motherboard, but the fan was bad, so I had a Corsair SB120 fan laying around, so I installed that. And the graphics card, I had PNY GTX 1060 3 gig laying around, so I was like, why not just use this one? So far the system is running flawlessly, but there is one problem. So this system came with i7 950 CPU, and I had a E5 I had a E56 20 CPU laying around, the quad-core Xeon CPU, but the one I have was little damaged, so that's the one I'm using right now in this system. So for some reason the CPU is only reading like 8 gigs of RAM, so I have 12 gigs of RAM. So most likely I'll have to order one more CPU. Maybe I'll get a E5640. I can pick up one for really cheap for like $5-6. It's a really good 32 nanometer CPU. And yeah, so this build is ready. I'll just test it out and see if everything running properly. After that, we can run some benchmark if you guys want. Let me know if you guys want a X5650 CPU in there. Maybe I can order one. I can pick up one for $14.99. Yeah, something like that. Also, I got this cool PC that I recently built in a in a client computer. So that's a thin client. I believe that's J400 thin client. Actually, the model is here. So it's a J400. Yeah, voice J400 thin client, and as you guys can see, I installed a uh, Gigabyte H110 motherboard with a Core i5 6400 CPU, and I have the Pico power supply. I never tried a Pico power supply, and I'm really happy that I ordered one. That's a 160 watt Pico power supply, and this thing is working flawlessly. So it did came with the CPU connector, one SATA, one Molex, and then the connection for the adapter right here. I had to modify the case a little bit. I had to cut it, and I did pick up a adapter. So if you guys pick up like a 160 watt Pico PSU, then you should be good with uh, 12 volt 12 volt 10 amp adapter. You should be perfectly fine. So like I said, I never used a Pico power supply before, but this thing is really good. I did test it out, working flawlessly. So normally I don't really build like mini ITX build, but I just want to try out because I had this case laying around. I was like, you know what, why not just build in this case and just share with you guys. So I'll have like a separate video. Most likely I'll pull this motherboard out and just I received the actually I ordered this motherboard from Newegg. That's a Viostar X370 GTN ITX motherboard, and I'll just pair that with Ryzen 2200G. So we'll have like a budget gaming ITX machine. That's a separate video. So stay tuned. You guys can see I had to customize the power connector also. Let me show you guys. See, I had to cut it, and then I did little modification here and there. The USB doesn't work and the light doesn't work, but the power switch does work. So this system is running, but I need something with integrated graphics. So then Ryzen 2200G or 2400G will be perfect. So I have Ryzen 2200G. I'll just install that, and that'll be it. Other than that, guys, we'll have a lot more like budget gaming, you know, build will come soon. So make sure you guys stay tuned. I just wanted to give you guys a quick update. And if you guys are wondering if I still have my main gaming PC, yes, I do. As you guys can see right here. So that's the machine I use for basically gaming, video editing, and everything. Yes, I still have i7 8700K. That's a Kyric H5 cooler, and the graphics card, that's the RX 480 8 gig version, and in a NZXT Elite case. And yeah, that's a 4K Samsung monitor. And yeah, guys, I have more parts right here. So guys, stay tuned, because like I say, I will have a lot more content on budget builds, because I know a lot of you guys are focused more on budget builds than just like regular, like high-end build. And also most likely I will order, I'm not sure if I can order a Nvidia GeForce RTX 2080, but I think I will wait for Nvidia GeForce RTX 2070. So most likely I think that card, we can order that card somewhere end of September or October, I'm not sure. So yeah, guys, real quick, just wanted to give you guys a quick update. And as you guys know, my room is really messy. It's a tiny room, but just wanted to give you guys a quick update. Stay tuned. That should be. Peace, guys.